Good morning, Glenn here from Icon Water. There are currently just over 100 high-capacity hydrants throughout the ACT. You may have noticed in your travels, like here in the city. The high-capacity hydrants were originally installed to provide additional firefighting capacity in these built-up areas. Since their installation, improvements in firefighting technology and a focus on safety for the firefighter, they're no longer required. In their place, we're going to replace conventional in-ground spring hydrants. Why are we doing this? After consultation with ACT Fire and Rescue, it's been deemed that we'll have a more reliable water source in the case of an emergency. It's going to provide consistent attachment points throughout Canberra, be it in the city or in urban areas for firefighting. And we also have the added bonus that it also to improve street appeal by removing the redundant street furniture. This minimising potential collision points and graffiti points. The works are ongoing and are expected to be completed by October this year. It's nice to have an opportunity to thank the wider Canberra community, in particular small businesses who are close to proximities to some of these works.